Now let's talk about the triple burner primary channel. The external pathway of the triple burner primary channel begins on the ring finger at the ulnar corner of the nail at TB-1. TB-1 is reached by a branch of the pericardium primary channel that separates on the palm of the hand at P-8, the hand yin-yang connection of the third great circuit. The channel runs along the ulnar side of the ring finger, continues between the fourth and fifth metacarpal bones, travels along the posterior aspect of the forearm between the radius and the ulna towards the lateral aspect of the arm, passes the olecranon, and continues along the upper arm to the shoulder, traverses the shoulder, interacts with SI-12, and meets the other yang primary channels at 214, runs to the anterior aspect of the body, crossing GB21 and stomach 12, the latter in the supraclavicular fossa. At stomach 12, the channel enters the body to begin its internal section. It meets the pericardium at 17, penetrates the diaphragm, and enters the abdomen, connecting with the upper, middle, and lower burners. From the lower burner, an internal branch, according to some authors, the TB channel descends to the popliteal fossa to bladder 39, the lower Hussey point of the triple burner. A further inner branch originates in the thorax at 17, emerges at the supraclavicular fossa, and ascends to the posterior border of the sternocleidomastoid muscle to TB16, follows via TB17, TB18, TB19, the temporal bone along its border behind the ear, and reaches TB20 above the apex of the ear. It crosses the gallbladder primary channel at GB6, GB5, GB4, also at GB11 and GB14, descends the cheek to the lower jaw and ascends again to intersect with SI-18 on the lower border of the zygomatic arch and continues to the infraorbital region. From TB17, a branch penetrates the ear, emerges to the exterior, anterior to the tragus, intersects with SI-19, continues past TB21 and TB22, meets GB3, crosses its own cheek branch, and ends at TB23 on the frontozygomatic suture. From TB23, or according to some authors, from TB22, a small branch runs to GB1 at the lateral canthus of the eye, yang axis of third great circuit. Clinical importance. Exterior signs and symptoms will be manifesting as neck pain, cheek pain, red and painful eyes, deafness, pain behind the ears, pain on the posterior aspect of the shoulder and the upper arm. Interior or Zhangfu organ signs and symptoms: abdominal fullness and distension, difficult urination, skin edema, skin swellings, and uresis. Connections of the triple burner primary channel. Connections with the other channels. First, we have the pericardium primary channel. Connection is hand yin-yang pairing of the third great circuit. Location P8 to TB1 on the hand. Circulation is circadian according to the organ clock. Importance, exterior-interior relationship. The triple burner connection with the gallbladder primary channel is paired according to the six-channel theory, hand-foot pairing, Shaoyang, yang axis of the third great circuit. Location, TB23 or TB22 to GB1 on the head. Circulation is circadian according to the organ clock. Importance, above-below relationship. Overview of triple burner points. Clear heat at defensive qi and qi levels in febrile diseases. Affect arms, shoulders, neck, head. Used for ear problems related to heat or damp heat. Regulate the lesser yang. Move qi and regulate the qi mechanism. Let us now summarize the primary channel of the triple burner. It starts at the tip of the ring finger, running between the fourth and fifth metacarpal bones. It flows to the wrist and up the lateral aspect of the arm between the radius and ulna. It then reaches the shoulder joint and the supraclavicular fossa, from where it goes down to the chest to connect with the pericardium. It then descends through the diaphragm to the abdomen to join the middle and lower burners. From the chest, a branch goes up to the supraclavicular fossa, from where it ascends to the neck and the region behind the ear. It then turns downwards to the cheek and terminates in the infraorbital region. From behind the ear, a branch enters the ear, re-emerges in front of the ear, and links with the gallbladder channel.